Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 2 of Strategic Management. I'm your professor, Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great day and enjoying our class so far. Wanted to go ahead and kind of talk through kind of what we're looking for in week 2. So, obviously, Dr. Agee got a very, very good video here where he talks about the VRIN as well as the pistol analysis. We're going to talk about the 5 competitive forces, Porter's 5 forces, if you will. And it's going to be one of those things where you can definitely look through all this and watch that video. And he's definitely going to do a great job of that. So I'm not going to step on his toes on this. But we're going to look at chapters 3 and 4 from the textbook and talk about the internal and external environments and strategic analysis. And the internal and external environments of your work and your business really is really important to explain kind of what's going on and kind of understand kind of how you can reach other people and kind of go after exactly what you're going after. So whenever you see that there's a lot of people doing one thing, you want to do it differently, or maybe do it in a different way. Understanding these different concepts can definitely help your business put a blueprint of who they really want to be in that process. Again, not going to step on his toes. I'll let him speak to that. But this week we have a couple of assignments due. So we have the 2.1 week 2 devotion, which I always come to you guys this stuff whenever you turn it in. I do it in the grade book so that everything's kind of personal there. So we can definitely connect on that if you'd like to talk all about those. But that's due on day 1. On day 2, we have the week 2 discussion, which you have due on day 3 of class. And you have to respond to at least 2 of your peers on by Monday night at midnight. And we also have a week 2 quiz on this, so that's 2.3 assignments on this. And we also have a 2.4 week 2 analysis and application questions. So this is going to be where you can actually apply your knowledge of what we talked about this week and kind of really try to understand kind of where you make different changes and stuff of that nature. I look forward to these responses and look forward to your interactions this week, as I'll try to discuss as much as I possibly can in the discussion board post. I really enjoyed all of your posts this last week on the different technologies that are kind of outdated now. Kind of brought up a lot of memories of kind of what went on in my childhood and stuff of that nature, and kind of how things have changed. And change is always different, but it's one of those things that can definitely help us move forward and help our businesses in a strategic way. So definitely really enjoyed that. I also like looking at the mission statements of different companies as well that we talked about. But hope you guys are enjoying things. If you guys have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.